So this question is an interpretation type question, which means we have to decide if the conclusion, which we see here in bold, follows beyond a reasonable doubt based on the text above. So let's start by simply reading the conclusion, which says, half of today's jobs will disappear by 2055. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and review the text, which reads, it is predicted that by 2055, half of today's work activities could be automated. The activities most susceptible to automation are physical ones in highly structured and predictable environments, and those involved in the collection and processing of data. In advanced economies, such activities make up 51% of all economic activities. So the key line in the text is the first one. It is predicted that by 2055, half of today's work activities could be automated. Now the conclusion says half of today's jobs will disappear by 2055. So jobs and work activities are not equivalent, nor is automated and disappear. If something is automated, that doesn't mean that the job necessarily disappears. And again, jobs are not the same as work activities. Perhaps one job will now have different work activities, but the job will still exist. So for this reason, we cannot make this conclusion beyond a reasonable doubt, and therefore the answer is that the conclusion does not follow.